watching Kayla, Caribbean queen. Kayla, Caribbean queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla, Caribbean queen. Kayla, Caribbean queen. Beauty.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So I just got this wig that I'm wearing. Such a beautiful wig, might I add, from Rpgshow. Now it is a glueless unit. 360 lace. You can pin this wig up without seeing any tracks in the back, high ponytail and all, and it is pretty much ready to wear. So let's get into it. So this wig right here is a 360 unit from them. Look at the color on this, so pretty. I'm actually quite excited to try this. It's been a while I've done a color like this, so yeah, this will be pretty exciting. So this is what the wig is looking like, and as you guys can see, the hairline is pre-plucked. It does come with some color in it. Like, this is such a pretty ombre color. That is what the inside of your unit looks like. It does have the combs on the inside and also an extra elastic band in the back to tighten and secure your wig. It also does come with the drawstring. This part right here is really to secure the back area once you pin up your hair. That way in the nape area, you're not going to be seeing any tracks or anything like that showing. And before I go ahead and try my wig, I'm just going to cut off this excess lace that's in the back area and some in the front. The wig itself does fit my head perfectly. It does go ear to ear, which I absolutely love. And I love that I still have some space to work with. Like, I can still cut off some of the ear tabs if I'm not feeling it. Like, it is long, so I like that. I don't like when my lace is too short. Like, a lot of these 13x6 lace fronts, they'll say it's a 13x6, but by the time you try it on, the lace is either too short or the way they ventilated the cap does not come long enough to like even cover your ear tabs. So I love the fact that this, I do have like a lot of room to still work with. Also, the back of this unit does fit perfectly. Like I said, it is a 360 unit and the back is covering everything. So yeah, I'll show you guys that once I'm done styling this here. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off all this excess lace.
The moment you just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Now my wig is actually glueless, stuck to my head, but the center I could still lift and move around. The hair is super soft, but right now I'm not getting any shedding. The hair is true to length. What you pay for is literally what you're getting. I've honestly never had a bad wig from RPG, and I've been working with this company for over a decade plus, you guys, and their hair quality never misses. It is super high quality hair. Your wigs from them will literally last you for a good 3 to 4 years if you just properly maintain them. Let me just turn around and show you guys how to style the back of this wig. Like I said, it is a 360 unit, so you're able to wear this wig up in a ponytail without seeing any tracks in the back. For these curls, obviously it was supposed to be like a wavy type of style, but as you guys can see, some of the curls did drop while the wig was in transit to me. So I actually recently got this She Glam hair curler. If you are a novice when it comes to curling hair, I think you guys should actually invest in one of these. Honestly, such an amazing curler, especially if you don't know how to curl your hair. I think I have it linked in my Amazon store, so you can check my description box for that. You basically just take a piece of the hair, stick the hair in between the barrel, and it's literally gonna curl the hair for you guys. So just like that. And it beeps when it wants you to release it. So yeah, it does like these pretty beach curls, as you guys can see, similar to what the hair already has. I'm just gonna take this and go all around the hair, and yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like now that I'm completely done with restyling her. I look like a blonde bombshell. Not like a platinum blonde, but you know what I mean. It's given, you know when they say blondes have more fun? This is what this color is given. I love this. Like, this just looks so amazing. The color is such a rich color. Like, this wig is completely glueless. The only part that I did use tape for was the ear tabs area, as you guys can see, and that's just to keep them down. The only time I worry about my ear tabs is if it's super windy outside and I know I'm gonna be outdoors where the wind is like gonna be blowing my hair back to where you're gonna be seeing my actual ears. But let's say I'm just like in an indoor space where there's no wind and my hair is down in my face like that. You don't necessarily need to lay down the ear tabs. Like, it's not that serious. The hair is so beautiful, you guys. Like, I'm in love. I'm obsessed. And I know I do say this about quite a few wigs, but this one right here, the color is just so beautiful. Like, it's giving Barbie vibes. That is what it's given. And the hair, like I said, is so soft. I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested in this unit. Also, I do have a $100 discount code on orders over $400. If I do have an extra coupon code for you guys, that will be listed down below as well. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this unit on me. What do you guys think of the color? I feel like the color is so me. 10 out of 10. I have zero complaints. Like, if I could give this a 20 out of 10, I would. But yeah, this is pretty much the wig. Again, this wig is from Rpgshow. If you guys did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you will not miss any of my uploads. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.